Alright, hello again everybody and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can install Termux on your Android device. And this is actually a start of a very new series that I'm going to be uploading, and it's about ethical hacking with Android. And here you have it. It's very straightforward for now. Just install Termux from your Play Store. And yeah, it's basically like having a command line or a Linux Lite version, if you will, on your Android device. And make sure you at least have 3 GB of RAM on your phone, otherwise you're just going to run into some memory issues and a lot of hanging and stuff. So make sure you have a 3 GB RAM phone with you. And please don't run this on an emulator. That's the worst thing that could happen, because emulator is already emulating what you have on your computer, and on top of that you are trying to emulate a command line interface into that emulator. That's just inception going on, and it's not recommended. Alright, so the first time you open Termux, this will be your session layout, and for proof I'll just go down to my Android settings and running. So as you can see, it's Nougat, and yeah, so I'm running Android 7.0, and this is a Techno phone, not a great phone, but serves the purpose. And yeah, that's about it for this video. I'll see you soon.